All right, on this one here, we got a tub drain. And not terrible, but we'll see what we get out of it. A little more in there than I thought. Okay, we got our stopper in. Let's test it out. All right, on to the next one. All right, guys, on this one here at our dog spa, somebody broke the fitting that screws onto the faucet, which it's right here, 3/4 by 1/2 inch swivel adapter. That's what we're going to be swapping out. Back this off. It's 1/2. Now we got to take this off our hose. Okay, there's that fitting. Now I got to get my other pliers, hold this fitting, and get the brass piece off. need to reuse this piece. Alright, here's our new one. Get some Teflon tape. And we'll re-tape this piece up. Okay, there's one half. Get that started. Okay, now our other end. It's going to thread into here. So we want to tighten it is that way. So we want to wrap our tape that direction as well. Okay. Okay, once you have it tight, turn it onto the faucet. All right, I'll test it out. All right, everything looks good. I don't see anything leaking. All right, well, on to the next one. Got a disposal here. It's clogged up. Hit the switch. Just hums. So it's a GE disposal. So we know there's a reset switch right over here on the side. We know that's not tripped because of the disposal. It's humming. Let's see if I can get in there. There's a red button right there. If you didn't hear anything, you would want to press that and then try it out. But we know the switch is not tripped because it's humming. So sounds like there's just something jammed up in there. Pretty tight. Grab some WD-40, we'll spray it. Alright, got some WD, spray down in there. Alright, gave that a minute here to sit. There we go. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, on this one here, we're going to be replacing this grill. As you can see, it's missing, rusted off. Here's our new one in the box. First, we need to get this piece off. There's threads. Right here's the line where the two pieces connect. So grab our wrench, put this on here, and we'll start turning. Here we go. Alright, got a piece of cardboard around the pipe that we will spray black, which is right here. But we're going to get the new post on first. Inside the box, if you were installing this from the beginning, here's your two posts. But we're just going to be using this one since we already have the one cemented in. And you can see right here inside you got a piece of rubber. We're going to pop that out and our threads are there and that will go right on top of there. Alright, there's our threads. Gonna spray a little WD on the threads. Alright, there's our post. Now we'll grab the grill and we'll set it in place. There's the grill. Now we got a pin that we got to slide through right here in this opening and break it off. That way this will be able to swivel, but it won't pop off. Okay, we got the grill turned to where the hole is lined up all the way across. Here's our pin. Slide that through. So we've got the same amount sticking out on each side. Now we want to rotate the grill box 360 degrees, bend the pin, and that will keep it from pulling off, but it will allow it to rotate. There we go. Our pin's in there, and you'll see it won't allow it to pull off, but the resident can turn the grill any way they need. Cut our zip tie. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.